Hi there. Welcome to this brief tutorial on PASCAL Delivers. With PASCAL Delivers, CCU students, staff, and faculty are able to request books and other items from libraries throughout South Carolina, all for free. To request an item, first navigate to the library's main page at coastal.edu/library. From there, click Library Catalog. Then enter your keywords into the search box and click Search. The results should load in a few moments. Be sure to log in if prompted. Otherwise, your results may be incomplete. Now, look through your results to find the item that you want. Feel free to tweak your keywords or filters. Once you've found the item you want, click it to load the record. Under How to Get It, click Request via PASCAL Delivers. And click Send Request. Congratulations, you've submitted your request through PASCAL Delivers. Requests typically take a week to process. Once the item has arrived, you should receive an email notification. Simply bring your CNO ID to the circulation desk and ask for your item. That's the basics on PASCAL Delivers. If you ever have other questions or would like more information, just ask the library.